So since I already explained everything that I did while I was doing my left eye, I'm just gonna use this time to talk while you guys watch me do the right eye. So I'm just gonna start off by saying thank you to everybody who's actually watching my videos. I never thought I was gonna end up making YouTube videos and enjoying it. I guess I was never confident enough, but I knew it was something that I wanted to try eventually. And now seeing that a lot of people are actually supporting it, it's giving me more of a boost to make more and more videos. So thanks to everyone who actually supports my video making, I guess you can say. And I know I haven't made any videos where I'm actually talking in front of the camera. I just don't feel comfortable yet, and even doing this voiceover is a little bit hard for me. But if I'm gonna make more YouTube videos, I guess I gotta come out of my comfort zone and get more comfortable with this. And I forgot what else I was gonna say, but as y'all can see, I enjoy doing makeup, and I mean, I know I'm not the best at it, but I do believe I know what I'm doing. If there's any videos that you guys think I should make, or any specific colors or any ideas, feel free to share them with me. The next videos that I'm gonna be making are gonna include my boyfriend in them. It's not gonna be a makeup tutorial. The next video, we already kind of have it planned on what it's gonna be, so I'll keep you guys updated on that. But this is now my third video on YouTube. The very first video you guys see on my YouTube account that says Valerie is annoying, that was kind of like a test video, and it's my little sister, so I don't want to delete it. That's not an actual video. But yeah, this is gonna be my third video, and I know the second and this third one are both makeup videos, but I promise the fourth one isn't going to be. The lights are on here because my boyfriend got home. I don't know if you guys can see him in the background when I move out of the way. And like I said, I skipped the concealer here because the baby woke up, she started to cry, and I just kind of had to hurry up. But usually I would use concealer underneath my eyes where the dark circles are, a little bit on my nose, on my chin, and I also did my eyebrows before starting the video, so that's why you guys don't see me doing my eyebrows in the video. I don't know, he was probably saying something funny because he's always messing with me. What else was I gonna say? Pretty much just thank you to everybody who watches these videos. I know they're not getting so many views, but the people that do watch them are the people that are making me want to make more and more videos. So thank you guys. I have no idea what we were talking about there. And sorry about the lighting. At times it was going really bright, but I tried to crop most of those parts out without missing any instructions on what I was doing. Okay, so now that the video is coming to an end, I just want to go ahead and say thank you for the third time. Thank you to everybody who views my videos and for all the support that I am getting. Because of you guys, I'm feeling a lot more comfortable making these because I wasn't too comfortable at first. So thanks guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell to get notified whenever I post more videos. All my videos are not going to be makeup tutorials. I'm going to try to make videos of a lot of different things. Like I said, my next video won't be a makeup tutorial, so stay tuned and thank you guys.